Alright, so hi guys, we're back again and we're doing plane spotting at Wellington Airport on flight radar. Oh god, glitchy screen. So we've got a ATR-72-600 if anyone can see that blimmin' image. It's taking off right now, so we might get to watch it. Right, we're 68, ground speed 90, 104, it's at 25 feet, so we've officially taken off the ground. And there we are, 125, we're off the runway. Well, that was expected, it's literally an ATR-72. What did anyone expect? And what do we have here? SDA Flight 122, which is a Sound Air Cessna Caravan, which is already at its destination. So if we just zoom out and have a little look around Wellington, up here we see our Air New Zealand climbing away. I think I saw something. Oh yeah, up here. Oh my god, it's a Jetstar just departed Wellington. It's an A320, which is, and according to, it's doing the thing again. It's doing the thing where it's a Dash 8 with half of it there. It does the thing where it switches aircraft. That's to Nelson at 2, and the time at the moment is 1:11. Haha. APT-1, Airport Ground Vehicle. Never gonna take off the ground. So if we have a look, if I spy an airport close to, wait, what? Well, that's to Christchurch, whoopsie. So that's to do its very sharp turn and go down. And there is a mysterious plane coming. Lucas spotting, it's an ATR-72. Oh, God. Whoops. It's going to Christchurch, so it's literally going to do a flyby down here and join up with ANZ 357M. I remember... Wait, huh? Well, that's coming into Wellington in 8 minutes. Scheduled at 1:10. Well, it can't be 1:10 because it's past 1:10. I remember in a previous video I tried to do Dunedin. And there was nothing here. There's Dunedin to Christchurch, ATR-72. Which is clearly just done a... And so we'd see its taxi, DVD went off. Nothing here. Nothing else here today, which is slightly annoying. We've got the town of Mosgiel right here, which is, wait, what? Is this like just me or does that look like a dragon? So at the moment I'm filming out here in Dunedin. Wait, huh? Guys, we found something. Dunedin's not available. A Cessna Skyhawk, the general aviation. 2,200 feet, jeez. Usually there's planes taken off from the aerodrome. Here, the Tyree Aerodrome. Yes, Tyree Airfield. Lovely. But, I think it's a park. Oh god. Looks like I am going bananas today. If they get to Dunedin, it's just a quick drive. I don't know why Dunedin Airport's there when real Dunedin is Dunedin right there. We gotta drive up and down the motorway, which I think is crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. See you, bye.